the theft of construction material at this Somali site, the one you're looking at right now, because they're trying to put together a gated community in Runda, has triggered police patrols in this area like you've never seen it before. Now we have about 4 policemen patrolling, 2 from the road that takes you or gets you from Kiambu into Runda, and 2 coming from the other side of Runda into Kiambu Road. So there's an interchange. 2 of them patrol from that side the whole breadth, and these other guys patrol from the other breadth. And that is what has been happening. Remember, this is a place which does not have so many people at night. So some elements took advantage and stole stuff from that Somali construction site. So that's how it is.